My name is Professor Hulda Shaidi Swai. I'm a professor in nanoscience here in Nelson Mandela Institute of Science and Technology, Arusha in Tanzania. It is a great honor to receive the Oliver Tambo Award after very stiff competition involving 50 very senior and distinguished professors in Africa. I'm excited to be one of the 10 professors, and indeed this is the highlight of my profession. My main aim of this research is to use nanotechnology to develop new anti-malaria drugs using the potent herbal extract as well as the existing malaria drugs which has poor bioavailability. In summary, all anti-malaria drugs available today are challenged by poor bioavailability, short half-life, and toxicity as well. As such, there is a need of addressing these shortcomings as well as developing new anti-malaria drugs. Nanotechnology has revolutionized medicine due to its ability to improve the bioavailability of this compound by increasing solubility, reducing toxicity, and improve dose and dose frequency. This technology will enhance research towards the development of novel anti-malaria drugs from both potent isolated herbal compounds as well as existing drugs which needs optimization. Nanotechnology has been used to revolutionize anti-cancer drugs with very exciting results. My research will actually involve encapsulating both anti-malaria compounds based on herbal compounds and also the existing anti-malaria which are lacking potency into nanocarriers of nanoscale. This will be a good opportunity of developing a product, commercialize it. For the first time in the region, we will be able to come up with our own anti-malaria drug and save millions of lives.